the timing couldn't have been better in terms of Sayeda Zainab Gardens, right? It's her birthday today. So if you think about what's happened, again, I'm going to go back to the pandemic and where we've been over the last 12 months, right? I think the people, or actually children, have been affected the most, right? If you think about it, they were out of school for 6 months. That can't be easy for them from a social interaction perspective, right? Since then, I know we were the first, for example, our madrasa, Sharikatul Husayn, in their work and the amazing work that they do. We were on the digital platform even before the pandemic started. And in terms of bringing that interaction, so we had our first Fajr programs for families, and just to see the children interacting is just amazing, right? And I think that digital platform just doesn't provide that. And based on that, in terms of the blessing that we have, and to be announcing the Sayeda Zainab Garden launch today, that's amazing. So if I can ask the AV team to click on the video button. Unfortunately, Brother Sajjad Haji, who's also, he's he's shielding because of his son, weren't able to attend physically, but he's put a pack together that we can listen and get the benefits from this project.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My elders, brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum salam.
Can I take this opportunity to wish each and all of you a Kushali Mubarak? Unfortunately, I wasn't able to attend the program tonight, so decided to embrace technology and create this video. In honor of Bibi Zainab AS, the management committee is delighted to present you with a new project we are working on. On behalf of the management committee, I would like to introduce you to the Sayeda Zainab Garden project. This project involves building an on-site playground for the children of our community. This is a much needed initiative which inshallah will bring our children closer together. So moving on to objectives. The objectives for creating and building this playground is to create a safe and secure children's playground. We feel it will encourage children to attend the center and ultimately allow the children to socialize outside of our main programs. So you can see quite a nice visual here. This is inshallah what the end result will look like. Hopefully enough equipment to keep the children and kids busy. There's been a few changes since this image was put together. In addition to what you see here, there's going to be a carousel, which you can see on the top half of the screen, and there's going to be 2 of those springy, bouncy things for children to use. There's also going to be an extra bench. We've already got 1 bench to the left of the slides. There will be another bench somewhere in that same area as well. So there's a few additions on top of what you can already see in the image. All the equipment is of steel structure. They all come with a warranty. They are professionally installed. We've also got the grass mats for safety. This is something which complies to all the standards. We also plan to have a privacy fence so that nobody can basically look in. And we also plan to have some children's artwork painted on the privacy fence, so it should hopefully look nice and colorful. We're also going to have lighting and an entrance gate. So from where you normally enter the gates, the car park, the main gates, there's going to be a gate coming into this playground as well. So whilst catering for the children and kids, we thought it's also only fair to cater for the seniors and other members in our community. So we've also decided to go for a cross trainer and a stretch station, which you can see on screen. The plan is to have this outside the gents entrance. There's a small patch of grass there, and we think these two equipment should fit nicely in that small patch of grass. So hopefully keeps the seniors busy, hopefully come for a quick workout before namaz or whatever it is. But there will be a cross trainer and a stretch station to use as well. There'll also be grass mats underneath these machines, so it'll be totally safe. Should be good. So in terms of timelines and budgets, inshallah, we hope to commence installation early part of Feb 2021 with a view to completing the project by end of Feb 2021. So inshallah, the whole thing will be ready by Ramadan 2021. The total cost of the project works out to be £30,000. This includes the equipment, the installation, the lighting, the privacy fencing, privacy screens. The entire thing should cost, or is forecasted to cost around £30,000. Inshallah, with your support, we can make this project a reality. For any questions or queries, feel free to reach out to myself or any member of the MC.
Muhammad Imal Muhammad Salawat. I think Sajjad did touch on budgets and timelines. Just to recap on that, it's £30,000, and the target date for completion is inshallah by Ramadan 2021. I guess just to finalize it, without your support, none of this is possible. So please continue to do that. If you would like to support us by making a donation in the memory of your marhooms, you can do that, or we'll provide an engraved plaque, and sign options are available. To make a donation, the details are available on the screen, but will also be shared with you all via the text services. I'm just going to wrap this up now. So I guess the year's coming to an end, and let's pray together that through the wasila of Bibi Zainab AS, that 2021 is a better year, and Allah protects us and removes this calamity from us. Salawat.